Welcome, Standard 6th, Subject English. Nouns, PowerPoint slide. Learning about language. Nouns. Presented by Sriram Khedekar Sir. Assistant Teacher, MA B.Ed DSM, LP English School Khed. Hi friends, today we are going to learn about language. Learning about language. In this activity, today we learn about nouns. First, you saw and observe the pictures about nouns. Read the following words and then put them in the proper row in the table. There are some nouns given in front of you, and there is a table. In that table, there are people, animals, places, things we can feel, see, etc., things we cannot touch, see, etc. There are 5 columns, and in left side you have some nouns. So arrange all these nouns in proper category. The words in the table above are together known as nouns. In English, add 2 more each row in the table. So, all these words are nouns, but there are different kinds of nouns. Some words are come from people category, some words for animals, some words for places, some words for things we can feel, see, and some words for things we cannot see or touch. So, now we will arrange all these words in the given category. Okay? Now remember that all these words are called nouns. Okay? Now I will show the different picture. Watch and observe and learn carefully. Nouns. Now I arrange all these words in the given category. I will read it. First, people. And I write the words grandpa, friends, farmer, helpers, Radhika, police, actor. All these words come from people category. Second is animals. I write here some words camel, jackal, boar, snake. All these words are from animals category. Next, places. Village, farm, field, temple, city. All these words are from places category. Next, things we can feel, see, etc. In this category, we write water, stick, sugarcane, tree, rise. All these words are from things we can feel and see category. Next, things we cannot touch or see. In this category, we write time, trick, treat, habit, happiness, air, mind. All these words are from things we cannot see or touch category. The words in the table above are together known as nouns in English. So remember in your mind all these categories and all these words we write here are all called nouns. Okay? So I repeat once again: grandpa, friends, farmer, helpers, Radhika, police, actor. These words are from people category are called nouns. Animal, camel, jackal, boar, snake. All these words are from animal categories are also called nouns. Places, village, farm, field, temple, city are these words are from places category are also called nouns. Things we can feel, see, etc. Water, stick, sugarcane, tree, rice. All these words are from things we can feel, see category are called nouns. Things we cannot touch, see, etc. Time, trick, treat, habit, happiness, air, mind. All these words are from things we cannot touch or see category. All these words are called nouns. Remember in your mind, all these words are called nouns. So, friends, open your book, page number 21. There is activity given for you and complete this table in your English notebook. Watching this video, you got clear idea about different kinds of different nouns words and the given category we arrange or we write these words in different categories, and all these words are called nouns. Okay. Thank you.